Here's Anthony at the baseline. Dominic with a jumper. In and out. Offensive rebound. Shot won't go. Who gets the basketball? Back to John Anthony. Here's Alvaro on his right. Extra kick out again. 1 out of 4 para kay Dominic. Shot is not falling back for Reyes. Here's Soto. Manzano creating space. Bounce up. Off the glass. 8 points now for Tonton Manzano. That time knocks it down. 2 out of 5 for Dominic Reyes. 4 points already. The lead cuts down to 11. Here's Manzano off to number 5. Goes on. Off to number 15. Andrew. Alfaro picks up the loose ball inside. And off the basket too. Andre Castillo. 8-17. Short of the dribble. Ferrer off to Alvaro. And that is a foul. Foul on number 7. His first personal, second team foul. Castillo loses momentarily, gets it again. 4 points off the bench, and the lead is only down to 7. Here's Andrew. Moika loses it, gets it again. Moika attacks at the middle. On the open on the down low. Turnover. Alfaro now speeding through defenders. Extra kick out. The ball will say shot clock. 15 seconds. Here's Manzano. Attacking, comes up. That is no basket. Offensive foul. Second personal foul. Here's Manzano now again. Bomb fires. Too strong. Castillo with 6 points off the bench. Ferrer gets another rebound. It's only a 5-point game. Ball tap. Tanyon gets a steal. Bigyan mo na para kay Manzano. Here's Tonton. Lights it up again. Bang! 11 points. Again, nasabihan na po yan ng mga bata. Pasuhin na po kasi delikado po yan.
Patigil nyo muna.
Delikado po kasi, delikado. Pasuhin na lang po. The reverse, there's a foul. Foul was called on play number 4. First personal foul on play number 4. Seven minutes, 54 seconds remaining to score. 20-12. Tim is at the free line. Here's Andrew setting things up at the middle. Tanyon forcing the issue. Ball goes the other way. Here's San Anthony. Off the cutting teammate at the middle. On the palo, share the race. 6 points in the ball game. Manzano. Almost. Lamor with another offensive rebound. Shot clock 21. Here is Mike on the right side. Manzano with a shot, misses. Rashawn misses, loses that basketball. That went out of bounds. Off the kick out, Pedro jumper is good. It's a long two. Eight points. One minute, 10 seconds remaining, 16-22. Here's Manzano again. Misses that one. 3 out of 7 on beyond the arc. 1 minute to go. 6-point game. Here's Anthony. And Ferrer misses that one. Up. Both teams, please proceed to your respective benches. Both teams again, please proceed to your respective benches.